We are at the Holiday Inn Express by InterContinental in Owings Mills, Maryland. It's a Schindler. Go up to 4. Door close button does not work. Here we go. This is a newer hotel. It's a brand new hotel. Whoa! 3,500 pounds capacity. And yes, this is in Maryland. Kicking off the Maryland series. We're going to go back down to 1. Oh, this is a very nice hotel. Door close button does not work. Here we go. £3,500. This is a really nice elevator. By the way, it's a brand new hotel. As you know, 338. Full hotel tour will be after this, after we go into the pool. Back up to 4. The lantern's outside. Hoistway. We're gonna look at the hallway for the TJ elevator fan. This is a really nice elevator. Love the flooring. Ceiling is non-reflective. And here's the control panel, which is locked. I'm in room 322, by the way. ADA compliant phone. Let's go look around the hallway. This is what a hallway looks like at the Holiday Inn Express. This is an InterContinental property. Here's a view. And back there's the MPE. Oop. Excuse me. I'm trying to access the elevator. Thank you. And it just left. There's the ice dispenser. There's the mechanical room. What a loud vacuum. Here's the painting thingies. This is actually really nice. You know what? I'll give you a room tour. Bolted on tightly. This has RFID locks, by the way. This is on the GoPro Hero 5 session. And signal stop. Oh, it's here. Oh, sorry.
That's right.
Go back down to 3. That's it.